Congratulations on opening your first print-on-demand store. With custom orders rolling in, you must feel excited to unleash your creativity. But the print-on-demand sphere isn't just about that. It's also loaded with communication tasks that can quickly become overwhelming. With order confirmations and client feedback to the mockups, the more orders you have, the more chaotic your communication becomes. Introducing Approval Studio, the professional review tool now available for Shopify. With native integration, our app streamlines your order tasks and correspondence, automating the mundane so you can focus on the creative. Our inbuilt uploader simplifies the initial steps by requesting mockups directly from your clients. The automation system then forwards these to your designer. Once the custom design is ready, it sends it for review directly to you or your client to approve it or add annotations and request changes. You have the power to manage your orders and review process from Approval Studio dashboard or directly from Shopify admin panel. Rediscover the joy of creativity and let Approval Studio handle the communication hurdles. Embrace a smoother, more organized workflow today.